this channel with your host, me.
And me!
Okay. Now I'm just typing into the air. I'm watching the air. Basically this is a crap keyboard. So yes, this is our documentary channel.
Ah!
And there's, oh my god, what is that?
It's a chicken, and it's been hung!
Oh my god.
Take the camera.
Come on, Yasmin, you can do it.
It's not working!
No, you're doing it wrong!
It's breathing!
It's in a better world now. Quick, we need to type it onto our computer.
Come on, come on.
Right, what can we write? Right. Chapter 1.
Why
The
do you
chicken
hate me?
Started.
Oh, what happened? Oh no, the pot chicken!
Okay,
He's breathing.
Chapter 1. It all happened when the chicken was hung on the wall.
That wall right there.
I just can't do it anymore. This is all too much. Too much. Too much.
Oh my god, Lucy's dead! The chicken should give her mouth to mouth.
No. Get away, you stupid chicken.